morning. It's the morning and I'm here at the house. Got a big chunk of stuff done with John this past weekend, and now I'm excited for another week to, when I get big chunks of stuff done, it really fills my tank with fuel. I'm just like, yeah, we getting it done, and it's feeling I'll see the finish line. Just taking a moment to listen to those birds. Oh, love it. Let's take another moment to look at some of these bulbs coming up. So if you watched the last video, me and John got a lot done here this past weekend. I'm going to start, it's chilly. I need to warm my cold bones up with some exercise. I'm going to start by hauling garbage into the trunk, get that out of here. It also clears the vibe real good when you get the garbage out the way. I brought a mop bucket today. I'm gonna have to mop a bunch of times. Like the first couple of times, it's just gonna be a little bit muddy, but mop it and mop it. It gets on clean, cleared out. Cedar mops are the jam. If you don't have one, you should. I bought mine for myself when I moved into the barn as a little housewarming present for my own self a couple of years ago. I mean, shoot, they last forever. I've had the same mop head. I wash it in the washing machine, hang it on the line to dry. I mean, I've had it for years and it's got way more years in it. Cedar mops are the jam. All right. Back to hammer and a paintbrush. So getting this ceiling, I'm gonna have to replace just a couple of boards up here. But it has all the nails that were holding the drywall or up on it, and so the nails have to come out. And then I'm doing primer on top of that. And then I'll worry about any hole patching or anything after a while. You know what I mean? I'm just going to get all the nails out and get it primed. And then it's going to be like a clean, livable situation. All those nails. So you see black stuff up on the ceiling boards. And if you watch the video where John took down that ceiling, he had black stuff all over him. So what that is soot. So it used to be like a wood cook stove in here. And between the different layers, like soot came through the like cracks in the chimney and just filled this whole place with soot. See, there was the hole. And that just goes, it's covered by a coffee can on top. That's what's covering that. And that's where we have a little bit of leakage. I'm doing it. Oh my Lord, I got so much done. This is some hard work, pulling all those nails out those solid wood boards and painting and cleaning and fixing. Oh my God. Yeah, it's coming though. It's my kitchen. I'll show y'all how this goes. First, I'll start with the hair. Put my little mask up so paint don't fly in my mouth. Lord knows it might be lead paint. I mean, you just gotta kind of take that as it comes. Don't get it in your mouth. Breathe it in. So I pull these nails out. Let's see. Do this 200 times. You'll get nice and strong. Now there's a little bit of the drywall, which we had tested for asbestos, not asbestos, stuck up here around the edges. Pull that down. Take more nails out. Like that. That's how you do it. All y'all out there in YouTube land can't tell this, but I've been at this for hours. Hours. I love it though. I love this work. Time for a break. Oh. It's gonna be a lovely day. Quick trip to the Habitat for Humanity Restore today to see if they've got anything I need.
These.
Well, I didn't find much I wanted at the Restore today, except a couch. So if I can get someone to help me move it, I'll get it. But I don't know if I can. But anyway, so y'all remember in my subscriber mail, I had this damp red hanging bag things. I hung one in the basement, and look at the water it collected in there. Isn't that interesting? I still have another one I haven't opened. I'm going to put it down there now. It's pretty cool. What an interesting doodad. So this is a brand new one. Into it. Let's go into the deep dark basement. Y'all ain't been down here in a while. Well, I've been focusing on getting us moved in ready. Ain't nobody moving nothing into this basement, but we getting the upper floors ready. Then we'll re-tackle this old basement. Every winter, I get to feeling like springtime and summer don't actually exist. I get hopeless that they'll ever return. But they have. But they have returned. Spring. I feel spring. I told you I was looking for some wood to just do a rough for now window frame. Name of the game is rough it in, get moved in. Yeah, this tongue and groove that I got off of the side of the road in one of my former episodes, that'll go just right. Great, done. Alright, I got the pieces marked and cut for that window frame. I was messing around in the basement a little bit, and now I'm going to caulk up some corners. I swear, old houses can just take tubes and tubes and tubes of this stuff. Learning that. Alright, now hunt around and see where else I need a little bit of this, because there's somewhere. Y'all, today is huge day for the fixer-upper. It is also in the 30s and raining, but today the old nasty broken falling through the floor terrible hot water heater in the deep dark basement is getting hauled away. The old oil tank is getting hauled away. All the metal poles from the drop ceilings getting hauled away. So it's super easy to get rid of these big items that need to be off the property with metal scrappers. And so, you know, they do the work, the heavy lifting, have the truck, have the trailer, the tools, and their payment is what they get for the scrap metal. So it's a big day. Womp, womp, womp. Unfortunately, it has taken this metal collector quite a long time to get ready to come over here. Still ain't here. But in the meantime, I've organized my supplies into the downstairs bedroom as a supply closet, and it's really pleasing. Let me show you now. I got my light, fixtures, etc., electrical supplies. I have one more light socket cover. Y'all gonna love this. Where it at? Dolphins. Yeah, we gotta put that in there. That's better. Decor, art corner, little medical supplies. All my paint buckets in a row. Paint supplies, wall fixing supplies, tools, garden things. I'll tell you what, I'm about ready to call it a day. I am able to get the couch for the new house, for the fixer-upper, and I'm going to play a little game with Tom and see if he can guess which one is for the new house. That couch. It's this one, isn't it? That one's your guess? Yeah. You are wrong. What? Find another one. What's your second guess? This one, he said was his final answer.
Okay, what is it?
Is it comfortable?
Yeah, sure.